Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the all new Oppo Reno 12F. And guys, this is a 4G variant of the Oppo Reno 12F, and this phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 SoC, and we have a Snapdragon 685 in the 70,000 PKR price range. So on the back we have absolutely nothing. We have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the olive green color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. And I would say at the price of the Oppo Reno 12F, it is really high. This phone should be under 60,000 PKR because we have a Snapdragon 685, and this phone also has a IP64 water and dust resistance, which is the main highlight I would say of the Oppo Reno 12F. So without any wasting time, first let me remove the plastic with my knife. And this phone also available in the orange color. So you can see we have the same box. On the top it says Oppo AI phone, and this phone has a new AI features which I'm gonna talk about later. Let's open this box. So on the top we have our device, Reno 12F. So here is the green color looks like. As you can see, I gotta say this phone looks really beautiful in the green color. On the back we have a matte finish, although the back it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Oppo logo it is here. Let's see what else we get other than the phone. So the first thing, we have a case which is not a transparent one. Also we have SIM gesture tool with a quick start guide, and here is our charger. And guys, and this is a 45-watt super fast charger in the box. And this is our cable, USB type C to USB A cable, and no hand-free inside the box. And the good thing is that we have a charger in the box. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. It is a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with one nano SIM or the two nano SIMs at the same time. Also we have a rubber gasket. Again, this one has a IP64. On the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have another speaker with another microphone. This phone has stereo speakers, so volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button. It is on the right hand side. We have in-display fingerprint scanner. So on the back we have a triple cameras. Actually we have a circular shape camera layout which looks, I would say, really beautiful and different, I would say. On the front we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate, with a center punch hole on the top and the bottom chin. Even the side passes, it is really decent. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Oppo Reno. So here's the first impression, and the display quality looks really bright. This one has a gorgeous looking and bright display. So here is the notification panel looks like. About phone, so this one is running on Android 14. Also we have ColorOS version 14. We have Snapdragon 685 SoC. We have 256 GB of internal storage out of 22.4 GB it is already used. Let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, as you can see, it works absolutely fast. And right there we have a new app which is called as AI Studio. Also this one has a lot of AI features, like if you have any photo like this and you want to remove something inside the photo, we have AI eraser feature. Here is the AI eraser feature, and if you want to remove this, and let's see it can remove or not. So you can see it removed the box, although you can see it not works 100% all the time. And let's look at the camera. This one has a triple cameras on the back. We have a 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 2 megapixel macro. So here's the camera UI looks like. So here is the video mode. Let's see video recording size. We have a 1080p at 30 fps support. Here's the ultra wide video recording option. Here's the pro mode. Here's the portrait mode. In the mode section we also have night mode, which is also available with the ultra wide. We also have time lapse. We also have a macro mode which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens. We also have slow motion. We also have a dual view video mode. So now let's look at the front facing camera again, and this one has a 8 megapixel selfie camera. And the front facing camera, it is really weak on this phone. I don't know why. We have this little wide option, and the front camera also shoot only Full HD at 30 fps. So the front facing camera, it is really weak, even the processor. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 45 watt super fast charging, and combined with a Snapdragon 685, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo Reno 12F. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.